Hello, my name's Alien Hardmark and welcome back to Cod Ghosts. Playing a bit of free-for-all today. Going to be using the saw with the silencer on this time, so the silent saw, I'm going to call it. So let's go. That one.
Free-for-all.
Just mute players. Probably going to die here.
Time to work, Ghost Squad.
How do I do it? That one? I don't know, it doesn't matter. Anyway, let's go. We're playing on Strike Zone. Ah. Anyway, let's try. This is the proper start now. No, it's not. No, we'll do the proper start in a minute.
Is it not on?
Okay, let's try again. Okay, we've got someone. It's a good start. And the other way down. Oh. Satcom. Not exactly does a lot of good. Where is everyone? Small map, you would have thought I'd run into someone by now. Well, I would have thought I would have. Someone up there.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Through here. Nope. Around here. Nope. Where is everyone? Ah, there he is.
Is that the like you just get killed over and over again?
Friendly SATCOM active.
Right around here. Oh, hello, Satcom. Okay, got it.
SATCOM ready.
Oh, doing well there. I got at least 2 kills. Oh,
Friendly SATCOM
right, go this way.
Oh my god.
Got shot by whoever's over there.
Oh.
Oh, dearie me.
What's he? No fight.
Run. Oh, I haven't got no grenades. Oh, I must have taken the grenades off. Whoopsie. Brilliant shooting. Oh. Going down.
This is that dog! Why have you got a kill voice?
No. Yeah, it helps if you actually aim correctly, doesn't it? There we go, got him.
SATCOM ready.
Oh, I tried to go for the knife, didn't get it.
Scared.
This way.
I don't know which one's which. This is aim.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Shot in the back with Mr. Shotgun.
Oh, okay. Oh my god! I'm so rubbish at this.
SATCOM ready.
Run. I wonder how well I'm doing. I have no idea. I don't think very well.
I panic.
Where's
I
everyone?
can't do this. Yeah.
One down. Just out to the secondary, see if we can get anyone.
I'm not very good at this game.
Guard dog ready.
Oh,
Okay.
God, I got him. Nice. Hello, Poochie.
Okay. Want to go any faster? Oh no, not that dog.
Here.
How many people is there? This is not a fun game anymore.
Come on, where's everyone?
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Oh, I got killed one behind
Care
me.
package ready for delivery.
Care package, yeah, I'm not going to get that, so I'm just throwing it in the middle.
Guard dog killed in action.
Somebody can have it, whoever wants it.
Oh.
Most likely that guy. But he gets a juggernaut or something, doesn't he?
I'm not very good at this.
You're going to get a juggernaut? No, it's only a sack. Oh well, so everyone's going to go, innit? They really want my satcom. I don't really want it. No, I'm not going to go out there again. Get shot. Right, so we've got a couple of kills. I've got a kill streak, got Poochie. Hello. Oh, boom. Oh.
Hey.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Come on.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Oh.
Don't you dare, doggy. Oh. Oh dear. Well, I had a bit of a streak going. Seems to have gone downhill from there, though.
Oh no.
Come on. Oh, that's not a good sound. We're okay.
I don't want to play anymore.
Oh. There we go. He got shot in the back, though, didn't he? Come on, run this way. I don't usually go around this way. There we go.
Enemy
Oh,
SATCOM
dear
spotted.
me. Come on, can I get another couple of kills before the match is over? I've got 20 kills. I'm quite happy with that. Oh. There's one up here. Oh. Oh dear. So I got 22 kills, yeah, it's better than I usually do. Quite liking the silent saw. Oh, about to knife him. So where did I come? Really low down. There we are. Let's see if I unlocked anything. I don't think I did. I don't think I got any lots of points to go out, like 3,000 points for shooting someone in the face. But we shall see. There we go. Oh, I thought I was doing alright with my kills. Obviously not. Streak of 4 though. I'm quite happy with that. Come on, let's see if I did anything good and unlocked anything nice. Tum-ty-tum. No. Right, well thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to leave a like, a comment or even subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Thank you very much. Bye.